Welcome to the Folk Music Academy and this beginner tutorial in playing the violin lessons. So maybe this is the first time you have this instrument in front of you. Be careful. It's an instrument that easily can be damaged, so take care of it. And in this first part, I will tell you a bit about the fiddle. Okay. The violin, the fiddle, have 4 strings. And those are tuned like this: G, D, A, and E. And they are tuned with those pegs up here. When I turn those pegs, sound changes. And if you don't like to use those here, you can use fine tuners here, as you can see here. And it sounds like this. And the strings are connected over this bridge. And the sound goes inside the violin because of this bridge and the sound post that's under. And this is F holes and fingerboard and chin rest. Okay, now we learned something about the violin. It's time to start using it. You can try this position. Yeah, maybe this is cool to play folk music. Yeah, maybe it's not so cool. You have to decide yourself. You can put it up here or here. If this is not so good, you can try to put something under here. And it's many things you can use here. Maybe just a piece of a towel or maybe or something else. You have to decide, find out yourself. Or you can buy something. This one. Yeah. Maybe it was not enough. Maybe you want your fiddle higher. Then you can use a shoulder rest like this. I put it here and the violin on top. Like this. And now you can play some violin. You need one more thing. The bow. This is the bow. Here you have a horse here from the horse, tail of a horse. And on the bottom, thrush. And here you have a screw. And this screw I can use this way, and then you can see that the bow get more tighter, or loose. And every time you put away your bow, remember to loosen it. Okay, like this. But now I have to play, and then more tight. Yes, maybe there. Yeah, more. Like this. Yeah. Then sit good. Fiddle, bow, and only open strings. G, D, A, E. And now just play. Try to maybe put some music on the speakers and just jam with with the music you like.